Welcome back. What are we gonna do today? Well, start out my usual morning, taking the Silverado out on the run to clear the monitors. That's all I can do. Just keep driving around all these back roads. Let's get to that.
One eternity later.
What is going on, everyone? Guess what I did today? I took the old lifted Silverado out. I drove it everywhere. I even went through town hoping I wouldn't pass a cop. And I didn't. What I did accomplish is a fresh inspection. So, it's time to get the wheels and tires on this thing, get the front trimmed out, so I can finally drive a project around that I worked on. It's crazy. But this is not the car that I just got. This would be my sister's car. And I'm pretty sure the clutch is fried, or the throwout bearing is fried in it. But that's not a project I want to tackle, especially when it's 30 degrees out, windy, snowy, wet, and my garage is full. Garage is full with the S10, we know, the Suburban frame, which is now a tire rack, and items from the house that need to be moved out of here. But I am going to be moving the S10 over this way because I have a truck coming in to do floor pans, cab corners, and rockers. That should be pretty fun. Sarcastically. It's going to be terrible, but that is a paying job, so I got to do it. As far as the wheels, I have to decide paint. They need to be painted. I gotta send them out to get painted just because I can't do it here. So my buddy might be painting them, might be painting them at my brother's shop. I'm not really sure yet what we're gonna do. As far as the motor, I don't want to start wiring the motor up like I said in the last video because I'm gonna be pulling the cab up. I don't know, I might pull the cab up and just roll the frame out, which reminds me, I think I'm gonna go get wheel dollies. My other 4 wheel dollies are under the Suburban right now. I might try to get them back out. Hopefully they still roll, because it'd be a lot easier just to roll the frame this way. Anyway, I'm rambling too much, but I did not reveal what car that I just recently got. These are parts for it. And if you know what that glove box is from, you'll know what kind of car this is, because the glove boxes break on them constantly. So I will show you the car right now. It's right here. I said I would never do it again. Anybody that knows me knows that I used to have these cars. I had a bunch of them, and I got out of it because I got tired of working on them. Well, here's another one. But I don't know what I'm doing to it yet. You tell me, what should I do to that thing? Should I throw a set of wheels and coilovers on it? Drive it around? Should I sell it? Should I throw bags on it? It does need a little bit of work to get it to be really decent. Needs carpet, interior stuff, as do all Mark IV Jettas. But I don't know. It's like a VR6. Could be fun. I didn't really seek out to buy this car. I was working on it, and then the person who had it didn't want to work on it anymore. So I offered to buy it. Now I have acquired it. Now I don't know what I want to do with it. So let me know what you want me to do. Let me know what I should do to it. I'll put it that way. Yep. I said I'd never do it. Here I am, a Volkswagen owner again. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I've been having fun driving it around. It's a VR, so of course it's got a little scoot to it, but I don't really know what I want to do. It might be just drive it around and sell it. Throwing the wheels on the Silverado, it's kind of a crappy time of year to do that just because of the salt and everything that's on the roads right now. I might just run them, make sure I clean them every day. But the Jetta is a pretty good alternative. So probably be scooting that around in the winter. But we're going to keep rocking on the S10 because show season is coming around. I have some buddies. I'm helping some buddies on a project coming up. LST's coming up. And April, I guess, Mini Nats is coming up. June, I think it's June, East Tennessee Showdown. But we got a lot going on. So I got to make sure I keep scooting on the S10, getting that done, so that way I can actually drive it to some sort of show this year. But instead of rambling on like I've been doing in every video, because I haven't been doing a lot of work because it is freezing in the garage here, let's just get into it right now.